Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you a delicious recipe for rice porridge that you can use, for Ramadan. I'm going to serve this during Ramadan. It's really simple to make, but I will also show you another way to change it a bit and make it even more delicious. So stay tuned for this video and don't go anywhere. Give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to choose a very good rice for this recipe. So like here I have two types of rice. This is local rice in Guinea. We call this Maragosi with the Fulani, and it's a really delicious rice. You can use this if you don't have this type of rice, you can use how we call it. This is jasmine rice, but broken jasmine rice. It smells so good, this rice. We call it siam in Guinea. So these are the two types of rice I love to use for my rice porridge. But if you can't get this type of rice, you can use like long grain rice or any type of rice that you love and that smells so good. So these are the two one I have here. I will use one of them in this recipe. And also you can just make it like salty, you use salt, or you can make it sweet, you use sugar, or you add butter and anything. I'll show you all that in this video. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to boil some water. I added here 2 liters of water, which I'm going to bring to a boil, and then I will be back. So I washed the rice really well. Now I'm going to remove the small stone. In order to do that, I will just put some water in a big bowl and then put the small one inside and then go slowly to remove the stone, just like this. Now I'm going to see if I have any stone, and this is the only one here. I will remove that and it's okay and it's over. Now I will remove just the water and then we'll use my rice. Like I said, I used 2 liters of water and it's boiling now. I'm going to add the rice. So now I'm going to let this cook for like 30 minutes, and then I will check occasionally. I will reduce the heat when it's arrived, but for now I will just leave it like this. I'm not going to close, because if I close, the rice will split. So I will leave it like this and cook for a few more minutes. So now it's ready. It's been cooking for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes you can add salt and serve it like this, but I will show you how to change it a bit. And like this, you add salt or sugar. So I'm going to add some butter. This will be very rich and so delicious. I'm sure you will love it. And now I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add sugar again. I'm going to add some mayonnaise. This is optional, but I love to add it. And it's ready now. I'm going to serve this. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you love the video, don't forget to thumbs up, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. So I will see you soon in another video for Ramadan specials.